Well, hi folks, now 90 days since I planted these. I did one on 80 days of reveal, so I'll do one at 90 days and see what we've got, see if they're any bigger or not. I don't think there'll be any more potatoes, but they might have just got a little bit bigger. I got 1.8 pounds last time at 80 days, so let's have a look and see if there are any more at 90 days. Right folks, same size pot, that 12 litre pot, but with about 10 litres of compost in. Same amount of potatoes, I think I put 2 in these, and this is 90 days now. So we'll see if we've got any more or any less, or what. If it's in shot. Again, I'm going to try and, oh, they're looking bigger now. I'm going to try and keep all any little immature ones and repot the plant again. What there is left of it, they're looking a lot bigger, these now. There don't actually seem to be any little tiny ones, so to be honest I don't think I'll get many more if I do repot it. They're getting really big now. But it's all good. They've been fantastic this year. We've had, since the last reveal, it's been such red hot weather, really hot weather, so things will have really flown on. There's absolutely loads this time by the looks of it. There are a few little diddy ones in there. So again, not lots, but they're getting bigger. I can actually plant these because these are separate plants, because this is one seed potatoes bit there, and then this one is the other seed potato plant. See if there's any more on here, and then we'll just give them a quick weigh up, sort myself out. Another one, and then there's a few little tiny ones there still. So I'll leave those on to hopefully grow a little bit better. And again, I'll just repot this again. I won't do it now. The other ones are still growing that I repotted, so hopefully we should still get some of the little ones regrowing. Have a quick scratch about, see if I've missed any. No, not missed any. So there's about the same amount of spuds, but they're bigger. So let's see if they're any heavier. They should be. So about 1.8 pounds last time. I'm not sure whether we've got as much actually. We'll see. I'll just turn my scales on. I'm giving them away. I'll show you what we've got. But it's exactly there. Have a look. 2.23. So hang on, I'll show you. 2.23. So about another pound. No, another half a pound nearly. 0.4 of a pound more, so about another 20% in 10 days, so that's not so bad. So there you go folks, little 90 day harvest of my first earlies in the greenhouse in pots. See you later.